It's easy to import all your customers' contacts into Xero. You can add a new contact straight into Xero by using Saasant Template to import all your contacts in one go. Create a new contact directly in Xero. Enter the business name, then the name and email of your primary contact. Xero uses this email address when you send them a quote or invoice. If your business ships items to this customer, make sure you address and enter their shipping and billing address. Sales defaults. If this is a customer you regularly do business with, you can save time by setting a default account for their sales, default due dates for their invoices, discounts, and credit limits. When you set a credit limit, Xero automatically checks the option to block new invoices when the credit limit is reached. When you're done, click Save and Close. You can use the Edit option here if you need to change the details. Import your contacts list. Click the waffle iron menu and select Find More Apps on the Xero App Store. Search for Saasant Transactions and connect the app. Saasant Transactions will provide a template for importing your contacts. Download this CSV template. Enter contact details. Fill in the template with your contact information. Be sure to maintain the original column headings as provided in the template. After entering all the contact details, save the file in the CSV format to ensure compatibility with the Saasant Transactions import process. Back in Saasant Transactions, look for an option to select and upload the CSV file you've just saved. Select the sheet and entity as contacts. To align your invoice import file columns with the respective fields in Xero. After mapping the columns, validate the setup. Review all details thoroughly. If everything looks good, go ahead with the upload. Then it presents a summary of the import and highlights any contacts that might need a second look. Review this information carefully. Here, Saasant Transactions identifies one error. While syncing 20 contacts, one contact caused trouble. Let's fix it fast. It's because of the duplicate contact number. Here, Saasant Transactions spots the error and shows where to fix it. Change the number right here and send it to QuickBooks. Now all 20 contacts synced smoothly. To ensure everything is in order, check one of the response IDs in Xero, which will confirm the successful import of your contact. And there you have it. With Saasant Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when Saasant can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.